Hey everyone, Matt Jones here, founder of Towlos. Good morning and welcome to 2025. Today is January 1, 2025. We have seen that there's a bunch of you guys who have started listing a trailer. In fact, as of this morning, there are 228 trailers that you guys have started to list but just have not published, not gotten across the finish line. So there are 228 opportunities that currently are not making you any money. So we wanted to help you get those across the finish line by uh, shooting this video to you. So right now I'm on our host HQ page for my account. You can see the dark blue that indicates that you're in host mode. Okay, you can always switch to go the guest mode or guest HQ page, but for you hosts, you want to hang here in the in the host mode. Your fleet of trailers are going to live inside this tab here. So now my fleet, you'll see a list of trailers. You can go publish a new trailer here, or I'm just going to run you through the one that we have. So you'll click edit to edit that trailer, or you can click view to see what it looks like to the rest of the world. All right, here we go. First, title, we're going to standardize this year, make, model, and then a catchy title description. Put in your trailer category or type. Then you want to make sure that you put in the accurate description. Again, the more accurate and detailed this description is, the more confident your guest will be, and you'll find yourself spending less time answering some of their basic questions. We require that all Towlos trailers are registered, even if you live in a state that does not require registration. So you can put your trailer license plate and state here. Almost all trailers also have a VIN unless they're homemade. So you'll want to put your VIN number and your current value here. Location. This is one of the keys. This is one of the things that's been tripping people up. When you put in your address, you don't want to just type in any old address and then hit enter. You want to make sure that you put in an address that comes up that's suggested by Google. So I'm going to click that one, and you see how it recognizes that trailer. Sorry, it recognizes that location. So that's when you know you've done it correctly, when you click on a suggested address from Google. Okay. Select trailer features. That's pretty straightforward. This is probably one of the most important ones, is the max payload weight here. Make sure you put that in there. All of our Towlos trailers, except for the utility trailers, require a spare tire. So you'll get a little error message if you don't put that in. Trailer extras. This is a pretty cool thing that we recently built. As a host, these extras will put more money in your pocket and are incredibly convenient for your guests. And these can include ball hitches, straps, winches, extended ramps, dollies, furniture, blankets, etc. So you click here and you'll see that I've put in, looks like 4 extras. So some examples are a trailer hitch lock, an adjustable trailer hitch. You can put in a short description here, the price, and then the quantity. You can also do things like a trailer cleaning fee. So if people don't have time to clean the trailer, you can charge them a certain amount and then charge that at the end. Be sure to include a photo. You don't have to, but that's always nice, and it's going to probably result in you actually renting out those extras. Of course, trailer images. You want to put in at least 6 images, and then here's a couple photo tips. Again, as you know, great photos get you business. Next section, you think a picture's worth 1,000 words? Try a video. We just added this recently where you can upload a promo or feature video, kind of selling or pitching your trailer. If it's uploaded to YouTube or Vimeo, you can add the link here. Also, this is key, how to use this trailer video. So if you have a little how-to video, you can add that in, and then actually that gets incorporated into the rental record, so that becomes something that your guests can watch and they can reference to make sure that they're using that trailer to the best of its ability. Pricing and security deposit, pretty straightforward. Daily price. Here's your rental discounts. So for certain multi-days, if you want to give them, there's a 3-day, a weekly, and a monthly, and you can select the percent discount, which then translates to that daily rate off of your total. Okay. The refundable security deposit is a great way to promote responsible behavior by your guest. This also helps you recover funds when damage occurs, and this probably takes care of 95% of the incidental damage that occurs. Just read these tips here, but you'll definitely want to put in a security deposit for each of your trailers. Timing. This is advance notice. We've been working on this recently. Actually, we're just about ready to set the default to 0 hours so that someone can book your trailer right away. There's been some feedback that people didn't think that they could book a Towlos trailer right away, and that was because people had, I think, inadvertently set this advance notice too far out, and then the system wouldn't allow someone to book a trailer. So if you are interested in capturing urgent rentals, then you'll want to make sure that you keep this one at 0. Minimum turnaround time. This gives you just a little buffer to get the trailer kind of turned around and ready to go for the next rental. And then minimum and maximum rental days. Next section is host delivery. As a host, the delivery option puts more money in your pocket, can also be incredibly convenient for your guests. And remember that this service includes both delivery and retrieval of that trailer. And so you can set this if you want to bring that trailer to your guests. You can set the base delivery fee, the maximum distance, and then an additional fee per mile. Availability. You can do selected dates. Most people just do an open availability date, except for any blackout dates, which are listed here. So if there are times when you know you're going to be at the track for a weekend, or you're going to be using your dump trailer for a week up at the farm, and you want to make sure that it's not available, so you don't have to go in and cancel someone's rental, then make sure you put in those blackout dates there, and then make sure you put in the correct local trailer locations time zone. And then you can save and publish, and notice how that bar stays kind of floats there until you get to the very end. So make sure you always hit save for later or save and publish. It won't let you publish if you've not hit all those some of the mandatory things, but you can always save it for later so that you save your work. That's about it. We wish you all the best. Let's get those 228 trailers across the finish line. Thanks.